In Iramba, you can control what data appears in a specific view by configuring filters, sorting, and columns. Understanding these features is essential since they determine what data you'll work with in each view. Filter settings are accessible in the top right corner of the view. Clicking Filter opens a panel where you can refine and control the displayed data. There are two basic types of comparisons you can make when setting filters: field comparison and related modules. Field comparison, or general, lets you compare a field, such as a policy name, with a specific value. For example, you can filter policies where the title contains the word policy. Related modules lets you filter data based on relationships with other Iramba modules. For instance, you can find policies associated with a specific risk in the system. These options provide powerful ways to refine the data shown in your views. When working with filter conditions, all changes take effect immediately. Once you've finished adjusting your filters, you can close the panel and continue your workflow. Sometimes you might need to search against dates. For example, filter audits until a certain time. Date filtering can be done in multiple ways depending if you are looking at after, before, or exact date. When setting up filters, you usually want to avoid using exact dates like after 1st of January, as they will eventually stop matching. Instead, we suggest using relative times, such as in the next couple of weeks, to ensure your filters remain relevant. Here are a few examples how filtering with relative dates works. Larger than plus 30 days means any date after today plus 30 days. Equals plus 30 days means exactly in 30 days. Smaller than plus 30 days means all dates in between today and 30 days in the future. Larger than minus 30 days means any date in between today and 30 days in the past. Smaller than minus 30 days means any date before 30 days in the past. As you can see, combining operators and relative dates, you can search any time frame. Later you will learn how to automate regular reports using filters. This allows Iramba to run your filters automatically on a schedule, daily, weekly, or at intervals you define, and send the results directly to you. When working with views, it's best to use a minimum number of columns needed for efficiency. By clicking the column button up top, you can get access to the column configuration. Here you can select which columns to display at all and which ones to lock so they won't scroll with the rest of the table. Some columns show other modules' related items. In those scenarios, you can display the names of those related items or just a simple counter. In many cases you will find counters far more efficient as they use less space but still work as a shortcut to the full list of the data they represent. Similarly to the previous features, sorting can be found at the top right corner. It enables you to sort your table content using one or more conditions in either ascending or descending order. Lastly, the export. Configured view data can be easily exported into a CSV or PDF document depending on your needs. To learn more about filtering and sorting, visit our documentation portal.